Bam! What's up guys? Today I'm showing some toy gun and equipment. So let's begin the show. First of all guys, I can show you this toy pistol. This is toy pistol guys. This is black and yellow color combination.
Oh yeah.
This is just a toy pistol. It didn't work guys. Worth it. Thanks. See? This did not work. Then guys, I can show another black and yellow color combination toy pistol. This is also plastic body. This is name is A222. Okay, pistol and how it's work guys. Turn and wow. Then guys, this is the another simple. See, nice guys. How it's work. Turn and guys work. Shoot and shoot. Wow guys, amazing. Then guys, I can show you this black color monster pistol. This is only black color guys. Did you see that? This is only black color. Nice guys, it look like amazing. Okay, and how it's work guys. First of all, you turn it and then assemble and shoot. Wow guys, nice.
Oh yeah.
Then guys, I can show you another pistol. This is look like a same pistol. See, one by one, one, two. And oh wow! And turn and what guys? Shoot and what guys? Shoot! Wow! Then guys, I can show you a black orange color dipper toy shotgun. See this? See the muzzle. Oh my god, the trigger, real trigger look like the bezel area guys. See, this is the bezel area guys. Wow, amazing guys. And this is a yellow color. This is orange and this is yellow color guys. See, nice guys. Yellow, black, yellow color. Wow guys, see the same quality and same. This two is like a same to same look like a monster. Okay, and how it's to work? It's turn and shoot, and this is turn and shoot. Turn and then turn. Wow guys, wow. What this two is shoot. So guys, thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye guys.